How to factory reset Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. First you need to turn off the phone. For that you need to connect the USB cable to the phone, and the other end should be connected to laptop or a desktop. After that, press and hold volume down button and power button continuously till the phone turns off.
Once you get the charging logo, disconnect the charging cable at once. After giving 5 seconds gap, reconnect the cable and press and hold volume up and power button. Remember, you should do all these simultaneously. Once you get the Samsung logo displayed on screen, leave the power button and continue holding volume up button till you see the recovery screen.
Now use volume buttons to navigate and choose Wipe Data Factory Reset and confirm with the power key. After that, select Factory Data Reset.
At the end, choose Reboot System Now with the power button.
Hope this method works for you. Stay connected by subscribing to my channel.